Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So this is a really emergency update for all Filecoin holder, because my brother, you know why? What's the emergency? The emergency is that, my brother, you can see here this time last 7 days minus 2.13% the price is decreased. The last 24 hour for minus 4.64% the price is decreased now, and just in only the last 1 hour this is short jump, my friends. So don't see this short jump, my brother. You know why this is coin is fails down, and what's the price prediction, what's the opinion, my brother? Everything I will tell you. But my brother, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type informative video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. So this time you can see, my brother, the update is on the screen. 71.24 USD dollar is the Filecoin price this time, and you can see available supply 79 billion, my brother. And it's a great news for all of you, my brothers, to continually this coin is going to be positive now. In the same time, my brother, this is the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to this coin is going to be my friend negative now. So you know what's the main reason to this coin is fails down? Everything I will tell you, my brother. There are, first of all, I predicate this coin, and after that, my friend, I will tell you everything. So this time you can see, my brother, we predicate this coin exactly, my friend, the simple method. So this time you can see here, after a jump they fails down, after a jump they fails down like that. But after this fails, you can see they take again jump and they moving upward now. But again they fails down, and to after fails they take a very huge jump now like that. So therefore, my friend, the last arrows, if you could see, my friend, starting upward now. So I know, my brothers, to in the future after this fails they take a jump. So therefore, my brother, you need to hold. If you have any plan to buy more, then exactly this way, this stuff is going to be very good now to buy it. Buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. Yes, my brother. So what's my friends, I have also one good news for all of you. To giveaway is also coming soon. Filecoin, I do, my friends, I do a giveaway. So just in only you, if you want to participate, then go now and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for participation for giveaway videos now. Thanks for watching, Filecoin holder, my brother. And the reasons is that, my friends, today faced down from last 7 days. The reasons is that to my friends, especially short time investor, they're starting selling. So therefore this coin is also fails down. So try to understand, my brother. So this is not a selling time. Hold it, and remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time and take a good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.